So today we are going to discuss about another chapter from quadratic equation. Okay, we are going to solve some questions by using a formula. Okay, in the previous video we have derived a formula. Okay, by doing the method that is completing the square method. Okay, so what is the quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is given there, and we have got the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. So here I have told you plus minus is given there. So it has two values, that is x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a, and another is, or we can write x equal to minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Okay, so actually this is the formula for quadratic equation. This is the formula for quadratic equation. Okay, so by using this formula we can solve many kinds of questions. Okay, whatever quadratic equation is given there, you can use this formula and you can get the values of x. Okay, so before proceeding to the question answers part, first of all I would like to introduce a new term in this quadratic equation, that is discriminant. Discriminant. Okay, so what is discriminant? Discriminant, this part, discriminant is denoted as d, and d equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So we can write this formula like this: x equal to minus b plus minus d root over by 2a. Okay, this also we can use. So what is d? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is called as discriminant of the equation. Okay, so three cases are there, three important cases. Case 1, if d is greater than 0, d is greater than 0, then the roots are real. If d is greater than 0, if we get the value, we'll get the value d as positive. D is greater than 0 means it is a positive value, then the roots are always real. Okay, in case 2, if d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Okay, if d is equal to 0, in both the cases the value of x are equal. Okay, that is the thing. If d is equal to 0, this thing is very important. These things are we are going to use many more during question answer time. Okay, and the case 3 is if d is less than 0. D is less than 0 means this negative, roots are unreal. Okay, unreal, it means we'll not get a specific answer for this. We'll read about it in the higher class. In class 11 there is a chapter named as complex number. Okay, so in complex number we are going to read about when d is less than 0 or when d is negative. We are going to learn about that in class 11, that is complex number. So this is not our part. We are going to learn about d is greater than 0 and d is equal to 0. Okay, so this is all the things about quadratic equation formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and b square minus 4ac is considered as d, and d is what is called discriminant. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood this one. Okay, so in this video we are going to do some questions of quadratic equation by using the formula. Okay, so as we know, what is the formula? Formula is, we know that x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Okay, so we are going to use that formula and try to find out the roots of this equation. First of all, we are going to write the equation. The equation is given, that is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? Okay, so what is here? We are going to write what is the value of a. A is always the coefficient of x square. A is always the coefficient of x square, that is 2. And what is B? B is given 1. Coefficient of x is, that is B, 1. And C is also given, that is minus 4. Okay. So now we know the quadratic formula. We know that is minus x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a, right? Now put the values. Minus b, that is minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 4, right? That is the root over. Now this is 2 into 1 is a is equal to 2. Okay, so we have got the value, we have put the value and we have got a equation. We are going to solve this one. So here it is minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1, 4 to the 8 for the 32, 32 minus minus plus 32 root over by 2 into 2, 4. Okay, this one we have got. So it can be written as minus 1 plus minus 33 root over by 4, right? Now we have got two values of x, that is x equal to, we can write minus 1 plus root over of 33 by 4, or x equal to minus 1 minus root over of 33 by 4. Okay, this is the solution of this equation. Okay, so it is very easy. Just only you have to write the coefficient of x square, that is a coefficient of x is, that is b, and coefficient of the constant term is c. Okay, just write the value and put the values in this formula, so you will get the answer. Okay, look at the second question. For second question also we are going to apply the same formula, but in different way. Okay, there is another easy method. Here the equation is given 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to write a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2 root 2 and c is equal to 1. Okay, and as we know the formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. And one more thing I want to say, that minus b, this can be written as d na, d plus minus root over of d by 2a. So here what we will have to do, just find out d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. Put the values. B square is minus 2 root 2 square minus 4 into 2 into 1. Okay, now we have got the value, that is b is equal to root 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 4 to the 8 minus 4 to the 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. We have got the value of b is equal to 0. So we have got x equal to minus b, that is minus of minus root 2 plus minus 0 root over by 2a, 2 into 2. So this is plus 2 root 2 by 4. We have got the value, that 2 root 2 by 4. So we can cancel out 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, root 2 by 2. Okay, we have got the value root 2 by x are root 2 by 2. Right? Okay, during discriminant I have told you when d is equal to 0. Okay, both the roots are equal. Here d is equal to 0 now. So here we have got the value of x as root 2 by 2. So we can write as x equal to root 2 by 2 or root 2 by 2 times root 2 by 2. We can write like this. If you cancel out this one, this will be 1 by root 2. And this one is also 1 by root 2. This is the thing. Okay. Here we have got d equal to 0. So that's why I have written like this. Because whenever d is equal to 0, the roots are equal. Okay. So hope all of you have understood about these things. It is very easy concept. Only you have to put the formula, put the values in that formula. Okay. Then you will get the answer.